The only other thing I'm gonna look at on this door is when I'm closing it. I'm gonna see if the strike plate is adjusted. You see if I push on the door, hear that? I do. It does have a slight spring to it because I've been adjusting these and everything. So if I let go of the door, it's pulling against here so it doesn't do that. But I can get that better. There's a tab on the inside of there. You've been watching my videos, you've seen them. And this one happens to have it with a little groove in the tab. I'm just putting it in there. I'm bending that out at an angle. That lessens the gap between the latch. See there? Look, I'm pushing on that. I'm liking that. I tell people not to tap on that because you might put a little mark in there. I almost did what I told people not to do. I'm trying to lessen that just a little bit. If you go out too far, and if you really want to push that back in, the best way to do it is take the strike plate off. Take your pliers, bend it just a little bit, and then start over, or hope that you get it that time, or start bending it again. On some of them, there's not a groove in there, so if it's just a tab, I couldn't have done that. I would have had to pull this out, get my pliers out, pull this out, get the tab, hold it, bend on it, put it back in, hope that I did it just right, screw it back in. If it still chatters, I pull it out again. Sometimes I pulled out strike plates 2 and 3 times to get that adjusted. So I like the ones that have the tab. There's a little notch where you can put your screwdriver in there. Okay? Did you not watch my other video? I showed you in detail. All right, I'll show you. Get it close up here. Show you. See this tab? See the groove in there? That's where I put the screwdriver. And then I can pull that tab out properly, but I can't push it back in. Some don't have that groove in the tab. And I used to take a screwdriver and try to wedge underneath it and bend it out and bend the top out. You could push it out a little bit, but that gets all funky. It's best to take it out. Do it with a pair of pliers when you don't have that little notch in the tab. Follow? Okay. Now, I'll put you back on the pedestal. I'm going to close this door. I'm liking that.